We have arrived at our weekend destination. Well, it's day 2 here at Evergreen, and it's snowing. So the winter camping season has officially began. This weekend we have full hookups. We've got the heated hose out because right now it's 33 degrees out, and tonight it's going to get down to 20s. So what do you do on a snowy day when you're in a camper and it's cold outside? You check out this thing called a Wadio electric kettle. This thing comes from Amazon. We're going to open this thing up and give it a try and see what it actually is. So here it is. It's a bunch of silicone foldable stuff. We're going to unfold some of it and see what we got. We know we got the power cord. This is the kettle. And these two white things here are cups, and this is supposed to be a bowl. So you get these two cups with these sealable lids on them that open up. You get this bowl with a lid that seals up on it, and then you get the kettle, which actually looks like a kettle now that it's unfolded. So yeah, let's take this kettle and let's give it a try here and see if it works or not. Okay, we're out here in the laboratory. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a 16-ounce cup of water, and we are going to put it into the kettle. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to turn this switch on, and we're going to hit the stopwatch right here. Now, we're going to see how long this thing takes to boil water. About 5 minutes and 30 seconds into this, and it's boiling pretty good, it sounds like. So we're going to go ahead and shut the power switch off, and then we're going to pour the water out and see how hot it is. There is steam coming off of it. Okay, there's definitely steam coming off of it. I don't know if you can see it or not. Now, how hot is it? Good question. I don't have a thermometer. It's boiling hot. So yeah, about 5 minutes, 30 seconds, this thing really gets her heated up good. Yeah, this thing, when it's in the full upright position, at 5 minutes, 16 ounces of water, and it's boiling. And another nice thing about this is push the top down for storage, and it is very small actually. Is this a good thing to have? Well, if you don't have a lot of storage, this could be a good answer for you, for a good way to boil water. If you want to do oatmeal, hot chocolate, maybe mac and cheese in a cup, or coffee or tea, or anything you need hot water for. So we did a thing. We had pizza delivered from Winesburg, Whitmer's Pizza, and boy, it was good pizza too. So I know a lot of people don't like to winter camp because of moisture problems. This is how we do it, and we really have never had a moisture problem in the several years that we have been winter camping. So I'm going to show you what we do. Day 4, it is 35 degrees outside, and it is a balmy 72 degrees inside.
This is the electric heater that we use when we do have electric. It is a milk house heater. We run it on low and set the thermostat to whatever temperature we want to keep it in here. The electric heater produces a lot less moisture than the propane heater. Although we do turn the propane heater on just in case something happens through the night.
One of the most important parts of camping in cold weather is the roof vent. You have to keep the roof vent cracked open the whole time to keep the moisture out of the camper. The next thing is you have to have a crack in the window here for air to come in. Now, if you notice, there is very little moisture on this window. And this is the 4th day that we've been here. Let's look at the other window. Okay, this is the other window. You just see just a little bit of moisture at the bottom of it.